With the release of the trailer of Vision Quest, I tasked myself to create Vision in under 24 hours. Let's do it. Now, when I first looked at this new suit, I already seen, shout out to a Reddit post, that this was a retexture of another suit that he previously had. I don't know how I didn't notice that, but it just made the job way less easier. This was really just a retexturing game at this point. So shout out to Sid Garo on DeviantArt, who had the original model that I retextured. I pretty much just imported this into Photopea online and just went off base references. It'd be brought to my attention that after releasing the avatar, the rigging was like completely off on the model, which I was forced to rig it myself, put it in the mixer mode, deattach the cape, and just reattach the cape after. The first avatar just came out walking slimy, and it was terrible. I had to re-rig it.
Anyways, this is how I made the MCU Vision in under 24 hours. If you guys want to rock this avatar, this will of course be in the description down below. All you guys have to do is check there, and you guys can have this for yourself. Anyways, I got a lot of content cooking. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And always, don't blink.